Hi everyone, I wanted to make a quick video. I had a great class session with everyone tonight as we met from 6 to 8 p.m. and I just wanted to make a quick video on a few highlights, some updates that I made after class that I want to draw your attention to. So again, thank you so much for participating and for being a part of the class and grappling with all these ideas with me as you are in your own classrooms. So a couple of quick things that I wanted to point out. So I have updated our presentation and it's located here. So just the changes that I made was that we do have the 4.3 Discipline with Dignity double entry journal on chapters 1 through 3 due by next Wednesday. So just be aware that that Wednesday due date is there. It'll allow you to then focus on 5.1. Originally, I was going to have you do a forum on chapter 11, but as I previewed what we have set for our next class session on the 26th, I think that there'll be plenty of time to process that in class. So for next Wednesday, you have the 4.3 double entry journal to create. And just a quick note, when you do the double entry journal, you want to do the journal to the extent where it will help you learn the information. And as you're writing your TLEs this semester, next semester, you can reference back and understand your own notes. So I'm not looking for a set length or just the amount, but I really want to see that you are just reading the information and working through the information. If I see only headings in your notes, it may cue me off that you're not reading everything as in depth. But again, this is for your learning, so how you take notes and how much you need may be different than other people and what they need. So you're going to be doing a double entry journal for chapters 1 through 3, so you can label it chapter 1 and then do all of your work right there and then label it chapter 2 a little bit later on. So that will be submitted by next Wednesday in the 4.3 submission area. And then the 5.1 assignment will be your focus that second week. And I just put a brief description of it here that there'll be a 30 to 40 minute observation or recording that's focused on students with a summary and reflection paper that you'll be writing using APA citation format. So we're getting more into that formal writing style that will work into your TLE. So in 5.1, we reviewed this in class, but I want to just make sure that everybody understands it clearly. So this is building up to your TLE. So you'll take part A, part B, part C. You'll look at all of the information you have, all the evidence that you've analyzed, and then you'll create your TLE from those 3 assignments. So this is the directions that are in the paper. The only thing that maybe is a little bit different is that I've just added a little bit about APA down here. So begin to think about APA using the OWL at Purdue and working with in-text citations. So for this assignment, you will be using chapters 8, 13 of Skill for Teacher, chapter 11 from Passionate Teacher, and then your Discipline with Dignity. So make sure that you do read Passionate Teacher, chapter 11, prior to doing this assignment. Even though there's nothing to submit for it, you do want to make sure that you read it because it may feed into this assignment quite a bit for you. All right, well, if you have any questions, one more thing. So at the very top, I added in the link directly to Grammarly, so you can click on that and install it for free. You just have to make your own account, and then that will work with Word, and it works in web browsers. Does not work in Google Docs, so thanks, Nick, for just double checking that after class, but does not work in Google Docs. And there's also a document that I attached, and this is for a free account that has maybe has a little bit few more features than the free account that you could do without FPU. So this gives you access to maybe a little bit more, logging in and making the account with your FPU website. So I'm sorry, your FPU email. It is late. I should not be making this recording right now. All right, you guys have a great week. If you have any questions, please let me know. You'll be finishing up Module 4 by submitting 4.3 by next Wednesday and then heading into Module 5. And our next class session is on October 26th, so I will see you then. All right, have a great week and weekend. All right, bye-bye.